dull, man.
That was freaking close.
Son of a bitch.
Finger nearly freaking gone.
Look at the knee, real sharp.
Back I catch it. Back I some. Freaking lucky. Because I like up. I like cut.
Can you imagine how sharp you do?
I like cut funky with dull knife now.
If real sharp.
Take a shot.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
back it.
It's just different. No, man, and everything is the business, man. The pot them, the bowl them, the spoon, the knowledge where you have for the spoon. That's a where your spoon to capitalize, man. What you mean?
Yeah. Eh? Yeah, man. You know, let me try to find one of them there. Yeah.
Man,
So,
them same thing, them man. I want you, man, to know them, man. Them good with them and when they come out to art, man. I want you, man, to job on them, man. I want you, man. Exactly. People want to see friends. People want to see, you see me? That natural connection. Because you have to remember. Exactly.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, and that's what I say. Them set the pattern, you know. Because, you get me? I say, because I not even know so them actually did so close to the city, which where we come from. You see me? I say, because I didn't see where I come from. You see me? So it was, even when I find out about them and see the pattern, man, that's what I say. Like, we really have to make a step back. And that's what I say. People, you have to understand, say, each one and where one grow. You see me? There's not really a good unity, but as I say, see that. You see me? Because there's certain things where other not do, where I not lie to them. I sit down and open up a business just for learning. I will leave up money myself just for understand the background. I'm sorry. I think it's just changing the same work on I do. It's just changing the same thing, you see me? So the same the name on the shirt, the name on the things them that people are seeing in the video. You get me I say? And then find out you too far. You get me I say? These companies are looking for people just like I just wanna have to know what I'm going to want. You get me I say? What I try to do is it's actually name affiliate marketing. You get me I say? And you just have to literally sign up. No, because on the day of the islands are PO box are one of them things there. Of course, attach it to American dollars. It would have been easier for you. You get me? Because that way you can have that connection there. Really and truly that most of the bigger YouTubers them have that you don't realize that them just have a USPO box or something. You get me? I say where that them just collect them funds through PayPal or any one of them things. So you don't have to spend $1 just the time again. You don't have to spend something. You don't have to spend the time. You see me? I say. I know when I say that I actually have farm up a little because I actually have a little channel and thing when I start. But I actually start the channel already. Yeah, them things them I actually go cover for it. You get me?
Yeah, man, me watch your channel sometime, you know.
So send me when we end the live, bro. When we jump off, you know what I mean? You already subscribe to your channel and follow you, man. Don't worry, man. No, me not go see it. Because this is why the channel start grow reaching 9,000. When person subscribing, you only will see like you have a subscription and I go really know, but you know what I mean? No,
me I say like just send me a link for with your channel for Instagram.
That's
Just
what
inbox
I'm
me.
on Instagram already, man. So you're supposed to see everything, man. But they already, but you see me? So as we say, they it can easily do over WhatsApp. We can show them the strategies. We can show them the all of the background stuff. You get me?
Yeah man. Yeah man.
And on a settle the thing on a level because again, bro, even some of the top channels them, we reach out to them from right. It kind of even weird to call him foodie because like I'm a brother at high school and we there at the basketball court every day. You see what I'm saying? So it kind of weird. You see me, but it's one of them level there, bro. I easy support. You see me? I say I'm not the stretch out. You see what I'm saying? Because you know already I do it on a level. And I just certain things them don't know say once I just change them look at things there.
Yeah. Can't change everything. Can't change everything.
Yeah man, I just the little things them wanna change, I go change in the reality, bro. You get me I say? And the man come there and lead them man.
Understand. I know say thing I go run, brother, cause when I look and see Craigie T from TOK, brother, reach out to me and I post on my thing on him page, bro. Like, you know how that mean to me, like I'm growing up as a little youth, I listen to TOK song, them, brother. I see a celebrity, brother, with blue tick to his name, reach out and I post my thing and I say, when me talk about outdoor cooking, authentic and real Jamaican, finally a Jamaican who have put us on the map to a different level, keep up Caribbean vibes cooking. People gonna support you. You know what that mean to me, brother? People say like somebody reach out, like, you know what I mean? Like even Red Stripe beer company, like could I even like all my video one time me I do like all the jerk pork, the jerk chicken with the beer, you know what I mean? Like it means so much, brother. Like we just started, bro. You know what I mean? Like we're grateful. And people are get to know the brand Caribbean vibes, cause me even go in a stores and like India, me I talk to brethren like one lady just walk up to me and I say, are you doing outdoor cooking a river? And I say, yeah, man, say, I voice me here, man.
Vice.
You know what I mean?
Realize that once them things get touch money, you have to realize there's a certain connection and a certain family already start build. You understand? And that family wants to put them on a wider range. You see me? So even when certain people send a certain avenue to you, you have to make sure say you can connect with every single one of them avenue. You see me? They put mind every day like me I do the right thing like because we know we're supposed to drop content every day. But setting up the business structure when me hear it from your perspective and you really I say even when you put out content, you have the subscriber them and the people them now watch. I have to maintain over that. You see me I say you have reason why you put on the link. You see me I say?
Because even poor people them as a Jamaican, like, you know, like, criticize or you know what I mean, like, but see me when it come on the
You want to take picture too? Yeah, take the picture. Yeah. You ready?
Mm.
Just up, man.